Are you that smart, switched on woman who goes to work every day, who looks like she's confident, capable and got her life totally in order, and yet at home your personal life is an absolute mess? You might be going through a separation or a divorce and nobody knows about it. We want to support you through that journey. We know because we've been there. Being divorced in midlife wasn't in any of our plans, and yet what do we do from here? We can't stay stuck. We've got to use our tools and skills to rebuild and to reinvent ourselves. And that's exactly what we're doing when we're bringing women together around Australia in each capital city, and we're running the Reset Your Life and Shine After Divorce 3-day events. We'd love you to click on the link below and join us. We have some amazing fun, and this is something that you don't have to go through alone. See you there.